everyone, and welcome to Anne's Family Recipe. I've had a lot of requests for an update on the renovations we did to our home, so today's the day. I'm going to share with you some old and new footage. We now have a master bathroom and closet. My kids' bathroom is all up to date, and I have a functioning but not yet complete laundry room, but it is so much better than it was before. So in case you don't know, I'll link the videos down below of my house tour and then of our renovation update. My family moved into a home that was built in 1901. We got tons of work done this past spring. We had a contractor come in and create a new bathroom for us and a laundry room out of an old bedroom. So that was a lot of work. After a while though, we decided that we kind of just wanted to finish it ourselves. So you'll see today that the laundry room is functional, it's just not finished yet. We have to do the walls. And the bathrooms are pretty much done. We just have to do some paint touch-ups. But overall, I think it looks great, and I can't wait to show you where we are now. So this is the original bedroom that was converted into our new master bathroom, master closet, and laundry room. Okay, so first up I'll show you our laundry room, which is not finished at this point, but it is functional. The washer and dryer are all connected with the new plumbing, and then my husband is just slowly working on putting up the walls and mudding them, and then we'll paint it, and then this room will be finished. But you can see it's all closed off. It has lighting and outlets. The only unfortunate thing is we didn't know that we weren't going to be taking out these wood floors, so we didn't have them refinished when we had the first and second floor refinished before we moved in. So these are not in great shape compared to, you can see the floors in the hallway here were really spruced up. They were sanded and stained. But that could be a project that we take care of ourselves down the road. Because it's such a small space, we could definitely sand and stain these ourselves. But I am content just to have a washer and dryer just on the same floor where all our dirty laundry is. This is so convenient. Next up, we're visiting my kids' bathroom. So we stuck with pretty much the same layout, although there was a door leading into my daughter's room that we closed off, so that's a solid wall now, and the vanity shifted slightly, but beyond that, this just needed a total facelift. Next up is our kids' bathroom. So we had new flooring put in. You can see that's very different from the old tile that was there. And they also got a new vanity. And then we've got our mirror and our new light fixture. And we did keep the old chandelier. I think it looks really pretty still. I really like the paint color we chose for this room. It's called Toasty Gray. The paint up top is actually a shade lighter. It's called Campfire Ash. These are Behr paints, which our contractor was really into, but I would not recommend them. Behr paints you get at Home Depot, and I prefer Valspar, which you get at Lowe's, a lot better. I think the quality is much better and they're a lot easier to work with. However, the colors we chose, I was very happy with. And then of course there's new trim all around the door frame here, new baseboards, new trim up along the top. You can see this room's not quite done yet because the wall underneath the old trim was pretty rough. So my husband put a skim coat over top of that, and we still have to sand that, and then we'll do a final coat up top of that Campfire Ash color. So we did install a nice ceiling fan. All that ductwork was added in. We still have the painter's tape around it because, like I said, we want to do one more final coat on the upper level above the trim in the bathroom. And then our shower, I'm going to turn on the light. There is a fan though, so there might be a tiny bit of background noise. But we got it tiled, and I think it looks incredible. It used to be this dark maroon, almost like a blood red tile, which we knew we didn't want to keep. So we got our curved hotel style shower curtain rod, a new shower head, fixtures down here. But we still have our pink tub, which should be getting reglazed white very soon. We also had all new trim added around the window. It used to be very skinny, and our contractor found a lot of old pieces of trim around our house that weren't being used, so he kind of created the trim for the doors and the windows himself. Now the curtains I like the color, but they're obviously too long, so we will hem them eventually, but they work for now. And this is actually pretty good lighting where you can see the two tones of paint here. There used to be this really nice 3-tiered shelf that we thought we were going to be able to put back in, but there is a new pipe behind there that wasn't there before, and it just did not fit back in. So our solution to cover the gaping hole in the wall here was to just put up a poster frame. And eventually we'll put in an actual poster. Right now it looks kind of cool, the music festival up top, but that's actually just what Walmart inserted, and we've still got the barcode and the Mainstays brand name down here, so eventually we will put in a real poster there. Lastly, we'll take a look at our new walk-in closet and master bathroom. So this is the original closet that we had in our bedroom, not super functional, and then you can see all of the demo work that had to be done in that old bedroom. New plumbing was installed, new flooring, of course walls were put up, and the finished product is really incredible. So lastly, and most excitingly in my opinion, is our new master bathroom and closet. So this used to be like a tiny closet in our bedroom. It was about 1 foot deep. We removed the door and our contractor created this amazing space for us. So there's a little nook over here that eventually we can use for storage. And then you walk in, and to the left is our double vanity, and to the right is our brand new closet space, which works out really well for us. We really don't need too much room. This is all the clothing that we own for both my husband and myself. There's new flooring back here, and we have our shoe racks underneath, and then everything on top. It's a little narrow, but it is wide enough to fit back in there, and we don't get dressed in our closet, so it's working out just fine, actually. Like I said, I didn't love the quality of the Behr paints, but I did love the colors that we picked, and on this accent wall, I used a shade called Tsunami. You can see here we got a new double vanity that has tons of storage, both inside and underneath. We went with antique bronze fixtures, both for the towels and the sink handles. And then above, I picked these kind of brassy gold mirrors, which, I don't know, let me know in the comments. I think it looks amazing with the wall color, but I'm not sure if it blends in the best with all the other fixtures. Eventually I could tape those off and just spray paint the perimeter in an antique bronze, or like an oil rubbed bronze color, I think that's what it's called. And then we also got these, I think they're called barn style lights, but I love the shape of those. And then we got the same style and color of flooring for this whole space as well, just like the kids. It's kind of a grayish brown color. And then I forgot to mention in the kids' bathroom, but I love these rugs so much. I got a kind of a normal size one for the kids' bathroom, and then an extra long runner for ours. They're from Target. They're like a super squishy memory foam. They feel so good under your feet, and I liked this kind of gray and white marled pattern. It doesn't really show dirt, and it's sort of neutral, works with a lot of different colors. So in here, this is that campfire ash on all the other walls besides the 2 accent walls that we did. So this window is kind of a neat feature that was already a part of the bathroom. We spray painted the handle, the oil rub bronze, so it really pops against the white trim. And then you can actually open that top window up there, which is a cool feature that was already included. This window and this linen closet were already here from the old space that existed. And then around the bend, so it's kind of an L-shaped room, we've got our little private bathroom. So our toilet is back here, and then we also have a shower. And you can see it's a stand-up shower, but it's not the width of a stall. It's a little bit wider, which is nice. So it has all new light fixtures. There's the vent work for a ceiling fan in here as well, like an exhaust fan to get rid of any excess moisture when we shower. And we kept the window in here. I still have to paint that trim actually, but it's nice to get the natural light when the curtains are open. Yeah, so that's our new space. It's a little bit tricky to film in here because most of the rooms are quite narrow, but we are just so happy with the outcome. And I just think it's incredible to see the before and after. You know, this was just kind of a random extra bedroom in the house that happened to have some laundry hookups, and everything was reconfigured, built from the ground up, and now we're really enjoying our new master bathroom. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at Anne's Family Recipe, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked seeing our home renovation update today. Thank you so much for joining me here today, and I'll see you again soon.